Chukwu, come to me. Isi Agwu, goddess blindness. Isi Mmuo, spirit blindness. Isi Agwu, kwakọrọ naba onye mmeri abịago naba. Onye mmeri abịago naba. Onye mmeri abịago sị gị naba. Isi Agwu, kwakọrọ naba onye mmeri abịago. Isi Agwu, Isi Agwu, kwakọrọ naba onye mmeri abịago. Naba onye mmeri abịago. Naba onye mmeri abịago sị gị naba. Isi Agwu, goddess blindness. Kwakọrọ naba onye mmeri abịago. Naba onye mmeri abịago. Naba onye mmeri abịago sị gị naba. Then isi mmụọ, spirit blindness. Isi mmụọ, kwakọrọ naba onye mmeri abịago. Isi mmụọ, isi mmụọ, kwakọrọ naba onye mmeri abịago. Naba onye mmeri abịago. Naba onye mmeri abịago sị gị naba. Isi Agwu, goddess blindness. Isi mmụọ, spirit blindness. Kwakọrọ naba onye mmeri abịago. Naba onye mmeri abịago. Naba onye mmeri abịago sị gị naba. Chukwu, special general. Chukwu, special general. 2233, dark all night. 2233, dark all night. Isi Agwu, ISI. Isi, then you space Agwu, AGW. Agwu, goddess blindness. Isi means blindness. Then Agwu, like the feminine energy, the negative part of Agwu. And like a goddess, goddess is all of them, the negative side, with their blindness. I call them, they are called Isi Agwu. Then Isi Mmuo, Isi blindness, Mmuo, spirits, all the spirits and the masculine spirit energy, blindness against the innocent, and their eyeglasses blindness against families, generation ancestors, and their foundation, both physical and spiritual, causing born blind. You see, innocent child, when they born this child, give birth to this child, the child blind. Some having eye problem at early stage. When they are in childhood, they already started wearing glasses. And some having eye problem, eye disease, and some lose their sight because of Isi Agwu, goddess blindness, and Isi Mmuo, spirit blindness. Remember, I always say, and I continue to tell you, the solution must be two. The solution must be two. Physical solution and spiritual solution. Then the balance. But if you are given only the physical solution and refuse to dive deep to this the spiritual solution, where all these negativities are rising from, where they are rising from, you dive deep and destroy them too, their base, then we solve problem. Then the solution become complete. Now we are taking the word to them. All is Agwu, goddess blindness, is more spirit blindness, all their base, wherever they base, we are tracing them now, both physical and spiritual. Their physical foundation, their altars, wherever they are hidden, and in the spiritual side, wherever they are hidden, in families, generations, ancestors, wherever they are hidden, to destroy and turn all of them upside down I use all animals, roster, sense, 33 bitaculars, male dog, okay, kita, male dogs, okay, obago, utinku chicken, 4 he-goats, baby powders, cosmetic soap, tissue napkins, destroy and turn all of them upside down. I destroy them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. Then to block all of them, their foundation, both physical and spiritual. I use all animals, roster, sense. All animals, roster, sense. 33 bitaculars, uncountable rabbits, Ebo Ngene, green, blocking. Chukwu and Ndotuya, walls, all colors, blocking. Geophysical and spiritual giant walls, block all of them. I block them in the north, and the south, in the east, and in the west. Then to cover all of them, their physical base and their spiritual base and the place they are rising from. I use black blanket, akwoji, black trash bags, plastic bags, wakiri, cover all of them, put them in basket, cover, chain, tie, blind, block, bury all of them, and cast them out, cover them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And I say, Isiagu, goddess blindness, Mmuo, spirit blindness, cease to exist in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. All worldwide, to free all from all Isiagu, goddess blindness, and Mmuo, spirit blindness, 247, unlimited. Or having eye problem, or having blindness, blocking the vision. I use all animals, rooster, sense, frogs, goats, agama lizards, owls, grasshoppers, oranges, sugar, pepper soup, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitaculars. Cast all of them out from us, from our vision, from our eye, both physical and spiritual. Cast them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, 247, unlimited. Continue to cast them out and include sheep, black sheep, and cast them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And I say, oh, rise, get up, and move forward. All Isiagu goddess blindness and Mmuo spirit blindness cease to exist in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. All come together and pray, come together. And we use male cow, female cow, roosters, hens, rams. You can't get mother goats. All 33, 22, 33 kola nuts. All and prayer, drinks, and prayer. We stand up on all land, all ocean, all airspace. We skyrocket the sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbit, asteroid, heaven, earth, all foundation science and technologies, parts. Transfer to Nigeria, Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent. Transfer to all states in USA, all foundation. Transfer to all police, police, sheriff, CIA, Secret Service, FBI, military, Navy, Air Force, Marine, Coast Guard, Border Patrol, Custom, Immigration. Transfer to them. Transfer to all security companies. Transfer to Ally Universal Security. Transfer to all hospitals, dental, psych ward, recuperative cares. Transfer to Serenity, recuperative care. Transfer to all family generations, ancestors, and transfer to all for free. Transfer into all the religion, Catholicism, churches, Hinduism, Buddhism, all the crafts, transfer there. Transfer to all for free. Transfer into all the sports, both male and female sports, Premier League, Champions League, both men and women, UEFA, FIFA, transfer to them. Transfer to into MLS, Los Angeles LA Galaxy, transfer to NBA, transfer to Lakers, transfer to MLB, transfer to Dodgers, Los Angeles Dodgers, transfer to NFL, transfer to Los Angeles Rams, transfer into NHL hockey, transfer to LA Kings, transfer to LA Kings, transfer to them, transfer to all for free, transfer to LAFC, transfer to Chivas Mexico, transfer to Tigres Mexico, transfer to Club America, Mexico. I transfer to all for free. I'm moving us forward. I mentioned your name, I didn't mention your name. Transfer to you guys. Transfer into our family, generation, ancestors. Transfer there worldwide. But transfer to all offices, all foundation, all schools, all homes. Transfer there and continue to take them out. The Agwu goddess blindness, the Mmuo blindness, take them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And Chukwu and Ndotie and other Chukwu and Ndotie and other Okuku Calabash energies and Akotule of our power, authorities, manifestation. Come together. Arab Nagon, Kengan, Okuku Calabash energies and Akotule of our power, authorities, manifestation, Henry, and all the energies, all the good energies come together to form this prayer. But transfer to all. We use water, boil eggs, drinks, food, fruit, cigarette, weed for those that smoke, beer, wine, all that goes into the body that are good to welcome this prayer, their energy into our body, foundation, science, and technologies. And again, on our body, on our vision, to be able to see both physical and spiritual, and any kind of Agwu goddess blindness that might struggle to rise, Agwu goddess blindness, Mmuo spirit blindness that might struggle to rise against us, or with their eyeglasses in any way, like a cosper, go there, destroy them in the north and the south, in the east, and in the west. So Moribi. You say, Sanko FM, Chief Priest, Peter Odira Nkwuaku, in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chief Priest what? Chief Priest USA. USA. Isi Agwu. Kwakolu naba onye mmeri abịago. Isi Agwu, goddess blindness. Kwakolu naba onye mmeri abịago. Naba onye mmeri abịago. Naba onye mmeri abịago. Sigi naba. Isi Mmuo, spirit blindness. Kwakolu naba onye mmeri abịago. Naba onye mmeri abịago. Naba onye mmeri abịago. Sigi naba. Isi Mmuo, spirit blindness. Kwakolu naba onye mmeri abịago. Naba onye mmeri abịago. Naba onye mmeri abịago. Sigi naba. Isi Agwu, goddess blindness. Kwakolu naba onye mmeri abịago. Naba onye mmeri abịago. Naba onye mmeri abịago. Sigi naba. Isi Mmuo, spirit blindness. Kwakolu naba onye mmeri abịago. Naba onye mmeri abịago. Naba onye mmeri abịago. Sigi naba. Abụmakwu ugo adịghị awa ma awa chacha. Abụmakwu ugo adịghị awa ma awa chacha. Ajọ mmụọ na-achụ anya ọsọ adịghị awa anya awa chaa. Abụmakwu ugo adịghị awa ma awa chacha. Obu ngwongwo eburu ya na. Obu ngwongwo eburu ya na. Obu ngwongwo eburu ya na. Chukwu nna m eburu ya na. Obu ngwongwo eburu ya na. Obu ngwongwo eburu ya na. Obu ngwongwo eburu ya na. Chukwu nna m eburu ya na. Omemma 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 gbanụ ya omemma 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 gbanụ ya omemma Misericordia sicut patem. Misericordia sicut patem. Misericordia sicut patem. Misericordia sicut patem. Inece misericordia Dei. Misericordia sicut patem. Misericordia sicut patem. Isi ala ikpere ala. anyị na-etiri sakramenti nke a maka emume nke dị ọhụrụ nọchiri anya aja mgbe ochie n'eluigwe obodo anyị. Kristi emeriwo, Kristi na-achị, Kristi na-echi eze. Tobenụ dị nwenụ mba niile, mmadụ niile tobe dị nwenụ, maka na o gosiwo anyị ebere ya n'ebe anyị nọ. Eziokwu nke dị nwenụ gadị akpụ. Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ, etu ọ dị n'izizi n'ụwa kịta n'ekpo niile ụwa ebebe. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Kyrie eleison, Christian. Messiah, Gloria in excelsis Deum, Pater nostrum, et in Teis, sanctificetur nomen Tuum. Agnus Dei, quitore peccatamunis, misera nobis. Agnus Dei, quitore peccatamunis, dona nobis pacem. Your Eminence Francis Cardinal Rinzer, welcome. Your Eminence Francis Cardinal Rinzer, welcome. Your Eminence Francis Cardinal Rinzer, welcome. No, na Christ the King Parish. Nnukwu nna welcome. Nnukwu nna welcome. Your Eminence Francis Cardinal Rinzer, welcome. No, na Christ the King Parish. Nnukwu nna welcome. Forward. Sanko FM, Chief Priest, Peter Odira Nkwuaku, in Los Angeles, California, USA, Chief Priest World, Chief Priest, USA. Nigeria, stand up. Nigeria, stand up. Nigeria, stand up. Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, all the countries, stand up, forward.